Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out the ST-120 resale certificate for New York State. If you buy inventory from wholesalers, Amazon, or other marketplaces, they may ask for this form so that you can avoid paying sales tax on items that you're buying for resale. You need to get the resale certificate from the state where your warehouse is located or where you store your products. So for Comfy Ship New York, the warehouse is in Buffalo, New York, so you'll need the New York ST-120. And before you start, you first need to register your company for online transactions in New York State. Then apply for the certificate of authority. Now let's fill out the form. Number one is purchasers section. On the right side, fill this out. Leave the left side blank for the seller to complete. Number two, name of purchaser. Use your business registered name. Number three, address. Use your company's registered address. And number four, certificate type. Check blanket certificate if you'll buy from the seller often. Otherwise, choose single use certificate for one purchase. Number five, purchaser information. So briefly describe your business and what you sell. So for example, I am engaged in the business of consumer goods and principally sell electronics. Number six, part one, mark that you are a New York State vendor and enter your certificate of authority number. Number seven, the final step, print your name and title, then sign and date the form. If you need more details, you can consult the New York State Department of Taxation and Finance. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.